Hey Spoolies, it's Myers with Urban Spools, and today we're going to be making a scrappy garland. So first you want to take your fabric and you're going to fold it in half, and you're going to lay your ribbon on top, and you're going to create a loop at the top of your fold, and then you're going to pull through your ends to create a simple knot, and then you're going to repeat that step just the whole way down, and you can do any sort of pattern that you would like with different colors of fabrics using scraps, and you just continue to pull those knots tight and make any sort of pattern on the way down for the garland. And then you can just push the different pieces together to give it a more gathered look, or you could even spread it out to give a different or an even look. Then once you have your desired amount, you just continue down and you will have a finished scrappy garland. Hope you enjoy!